perfect time management and tour arrangement, of course because of going with the guide Carolina, really appreciated. She explained everything details and shown us all her recommendations to us. 3 hours may be a bit rush at the end but quite enough to check out the whole town. And if you're struggling to buy castle tickets or not, I will say unless you really want to take pictures from certain angle, otherwise those viewpoints are really good enough to take all those nice photos of CK. My guide Carolina is very bubbly and shared with us the history and background of various places and buildings. There is also free and easy time where I can explore the town on my own. There is also no hard selling of products. CK Town is a really beautiful place. The driver will send you an email the day before to inform you of his information, contact you via WhatsApp, and then pick you up at the hotel. It is very convenient. After arrival, the driver will give a brief introduction to the tour, and you can use the rest of the time as you like. This place is very beautiful, so it is beautiful to take pictures everywhere. I had to pay an extra ticket to go up to the painted tower, but it was worth it because you can see a 360-degree panoramic view. It's a must-go. The view of the town is stunning. Walking through the castle area, even though it was closed and thus we couldn't see the inside, and the medieval town was an amazing experience. Our guide Anna has done a good job sharing with us not only photo-taking points but also the stories behind some of the historical sites and buildings. There were quite many visitors but not really crowded. A very nice experience overall. Our tour guide, Ms. Simona, is very professional and keep us in the loop and non-stop provide us the best guide. As for the location is interesting and nice scenery. The tours not include the ticket for the castle or the museum, and I only visit the museum and the tower. The museum is quite small and you need climb steep stairs to top of the tower. The transportation time was shorter than expected, but I still felt that there was not enough time to enjoy the beautiful scenery in the local area. The restaurants introduced by the tour guide were very good and the scenery was very beautiful. It was worth a visit. Our tour guide Carolina is superb. She was very nice and brought us to a traditional Czech restaurant for lunch with reasonable price. The coach travel experience was not pleasant, because the coach swayed to left and right even on straight road.